All the intersecting edges of the solid above meet at right angles. So these are all right angles here. I could keep drawing all of these. These are all 90-degree angles. And there's a bunch of them, but they all intersect at right angles. The value of which of the following cannot be determined from the information in the figure. So can we figure out what A is in this figure right over here? So let's see. A is going to be equal to 5. It's going to be 5 plus 12 plus whatever this is right over here. And it isn't obvious to me how to figure out what this thing right over here is. I can't figure out what this green section is right over here. I need to figure that out in order to figure out what A is going to be. So actually, I would just go with A. Now let's look at the other choices to make sure that we can figure out what those are. So B is this length. B is this length in blue. And that's going to be the exact same as this length. So it's going to equal 24. So we're able to figure out what B is. C is, let's see, C is this height. Now that's the same thing as that height, which they don't give. But they know that 20, so let me do this in a different color. We know that 6 plus 4 plus this must be equal to 20. So this must be equal to 10. 6 plus 4 plus 10 is 20. So C is equal to 6 plus 4 plus 10 is equal to 20. So C is equal to 10. So we know we can figure that out. D is right over here. That is equivalent to this length. That's equal to 12. And then finally, E is this height right over here, which is the same as this height, which is equal to 4. So we were able to figure out everything else.